Okay, so how do you rent a camera rental kit from MatterFix.io? Like I said earlier, we try and make the process as simple, frictionless as possible. You can go to our website, and when the page initially loads, a little box is going to pop up and there's some selections on there, and one of them is get a camera rental kit quote or make a reservation. Click on that link and fill that out. We'll want to know which camera you want to rent, the Pro3, which is what most people are renting, or possibly the Pro2. Which version of the kit you want. Do you want the complete kit that has everything, or can you get by with the essentials kit, which is not going to include the capture device or the tripod? Then we need to know who we're renting it to, with some basic information about your company, how many days you want to rent it for, and where we're delivering it to. Now that, when you send us that information, usually within an hour or two, if it's during East Coast business hours, which for us are 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., usually within an hour or two, we're going to send you back a quote. You review the quote, make sure everything, the dates are right, the kit's right, and that. If you have any questions, let us know. We can always revise it. Once you approve the quote, then we send you an invoice. And when the invoice is paid, your reservation is set. Your kit's going to ship on the day we said. It's going to get delivered on the day you requested it. And then the ship back information will be on there, the date you ship it back, and that. So that's pretty much it. We have people that have contacted us for the first time in the morning at 10 or 11 o'clock and say, I want to rent a kit and I need it shipped out today. And typically we don't have any problem, delivering on that. We have quite a few cameras in our rental fleet, and we very seldom have ever run out. I think maybe once or twice we've had an issue where we didn't have a camera on there, but we're most likely going to be able to accommodate you. So like I said, we make it super simple. If you got any questions, email us, give us a call, and we'll help you out.